what's it called? Urban Dictionary. Discord kitten.
Hello.
Shinri?
What's up?
Shinri, will you become my Discord kitten?
I think it worked the other way around better.
Shinri, do you want to be my Discord? Can I be your? Hold on. I'm trying to look up the definition to a Discord kitten.
Wait,
right
do you
now.
know? Do you know what a Discord kitten is?
I'm looking it up right now. A Discord kitten is normally a female who has permitted normally a male to be their daddy. They spelled "their" wrong. Discord kittens are obedient and submissive to their father, and in return, the Discord kitten gets nitro and other stuff.
I've always felt that it was like a kind of dumb because, like, Nitro's only $99. Like you're worth more than that, you know. Like, demand more. Yeah, demand more than just $99 for Nitro.
So nitro's not enough for a meow.
Yeah.
I can't give it for free then. Hi,
Exactly.
Jinri, how are you, dude?
Doing all good. Just really tired. Oh, it's fighting. It's fighting. It's fighting.
Cold tear? Cat tear? I will cash this for you guys!
Whoa. A Sarah?
Whoa.
That has a cool ass name for a fish. Oh my god.
I'm gonna put it back here. He's gonna be my buddy. You guys can eat him over there, okay? Guys, I told you.
Oh. Almost had two in a row. Sounds like a brine.
No!
Ooh, no.
Man, fuck Apex. You're going through your fishing tourney right now. You're your fishing arc.
Shibuya Hall's cat go fishing. You guys want to join me in the tournament?
Absolutely, dude.
Oh my god, it's so big.
No!
No. Oh, that was close though. Oh my god.
I just want to be a cat catching big fish and feeding my friends. Why is life so hard? Alright guys, have a good night. Take it easy. I'm gonna go do some work. And see you guys tomorrow morning, okay? Alright guys, love you guys. Take care. Otsunya nyatsukare. See you next time. Have a good night. Okay, bye. I think I already used up all my cat puns.